How to fix Roblox Avatar Bug. So first is to head over to Settings. Scroll down until you find Apps. Use the search icon found on the top right corner and search for Roblox. Scroll down and tap on Storage, and then tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data found on the bottom portion of your screen. So take note that before you tap on Clear Data, make sure that you remember all of your login credentials such as your username or email and password, as you will be needing this information to log in back to your account. Once you've done this, go back, scroll up, and then tap on Permissions. So make sure that all of these permissions are enabled. So if not, just tap on the permission and then select the first option, which is allow only while using the app. So do the same to the permissions that are not enabled. So after you've enabled all of the permissions, go to Play Store and then search for Roblox. Tap on Roblox and see if an update button is available. So if there is an update button, tap on that button for the application to start updating. So the application needs to be in its latest version for it to work fine. The application needs to be in its latest version for it to work properly. Now open the application, log into your account, and see if the issue has been resolved. And so, that is how you fix Roblox Avatar Bug. Thank you and have a great day.